We hustle daily. What's going on, Hustle Nation? Welcome back to another video, guys. It's your boy Big Play Ray coming to y'all with another video. Going to IAA. This may be a short video because I don't ever go to this location, but I'm in the area, so I might as well come over here. Yeah, I checked out some cars. They got a couple, not too many. They got about, I don't even remember. I checked them out though just a minute ago. I gotta see on my list. But shouts out to the whole entire Hustle Nation. Y'all see me with the merch on wehustledaily.com. Make sure y'all cop it. We about to like I say, go over here. I really don't like this location. That's why I don't really come over here a lot. But we gonna see if they got something, man. I'm looking for something to buy, so you know, it is what it is. I'm gonna go on and come over here. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, follow me on all social media platforms, TikTok and Instagram, and the link in the description below. Make sure y'all go to wehustledaily.com if y'all interested in learning how to buy and sell cars, how to properly inspect cars, learn how to make some money at the auction, man. That's what I'm gonna teach y'all how to do, so make sure y'all do that for your boy. But yeah, I'm gonna see y'all when we get over here. Yeah, I'm about to say, yeah, I got my vest, so cool. You know, you ain't live. I know y'all see it back there, but got the vest. Got to keep a vest on you because you got to wear a vest now. So, all right, y'all, catch y'all in a minute. All right, this was one of them. So this is the reason why, like, I don't really come back here anymore, because y'all can see got the keys in the office. But that's why I haven't been here in a long time. And what the hell? It's actually in here. I think that's the key. I don't know. But yeah, they be you know, different ones got different rules, y'all. So still the same old BS here. Same old BS, man. Same old BS, guys. So you know how the game goes. Looks all right, but let's see if it actually will crank up. Oh my god, they got the damn, yeah, and this is not even a key. Oh my god. And they got shells right there. So yeah, y'all know, like, this, first of all, I can't get it over there, and then second of all, it's like, look, y'all know Dodge got the what you said, the what's that, the plastic key type, you know what I'm saying? But it's no use to looking at this if we can't crank it up. So I don't even know how long I'm about to be in here now, but I'm gonna look at the little cars I did come in here since I came over here, and we're gonna get on up out of here, man. All right, got a Zl1, the carbon fiber on the hood. Big carbon fiber, boy. Nice. I like the body kit on this. Body kit nasty. I like the wheels. 2018, 11,000 miles on it. See what it look like on the inside. Door panels. The seats go crazy in this one. Absolutely bunkers in this one right here. Got leather on the side. Camaro seats. Zl1. This look like it lights up. Stick shift. Okay, they doing it big with the stick shift. Got some, I think this is forged carbon fiber, I think, or something like that. Y'all let me know if I'm wrong. I think I heard of something like that before. I might be wrong, but I didn't even know this one was for sale. I gotta see if this one is actually for sale. Got some water bottles in the back. Let me actually look this one up real quick for y'all. Let me see. What's up, Hustle Nation? This video has been sponsored to you by wehustledaily.com, the online course that's going to teach you everything you need to know about the auction game, all my tips on how to properly inspect cars, and most importantly, how to make money. As you can see, I've been doing this for a while, And as you can also see, I have plenty of testimonials on how I've helped others gain success in this business. So if you're interested in learning, be sure to click the link in the description below. Okay, and it's actually not for sale just yet. They got it sitting up here in the front though, looking like a beast. But in the upcoming weeks, I guess it will be for sale. Got the carbon fiber wing. That joint look nasty. Nasty. Zl1. Got some Corsa exhaust. That thing nasty, y'all. What y'all think about it? I like it. I like it. Might as well look at that motor too. Wouldn't be right if we didn't do that. What the hell is this? That looks weird. Might as well do everything, huh? This is one big old carbon fiber wing, boy. Small trunk. Camaro ain't got no trunk space at all. Oh man, let me see what we got right here. Let's see. There it is. There it is. LT4 supercharged. This thing got a full thing of coolant, everything. Actually might be too high, actually, the coolant. Not sure, but this thing nasty though. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments below, but we're gonna keep it moving. Too bad it's not for sale, so I can give y'all a price. All right, here's another one. There's another one. So yeah, guys, and you just can't, like, they don't really want you cranking them up. Wow, and actually the keys in this one, they just taking the fobs out, so you can't crank it, because I know these are push to start, and the only way you can crank it is with the little thing. So they actually like taking the things. That's crazy. All right, never know, maybe not all of them are like that, but so far the ones that I'm wanting to check out are like that. So we're gonna keep moving, y'all. Nothing else I could do. All right, here's another one. A lacrosse. It's dirty. So I see what this location is doing right here. They're saying that, well, all the ones that's push to start, they're taking the things and putting them in the office. But the ones that have a key, they're leaving a key in there. You just can't reach the ignition because of this. So I see what's going on. So how do y'all feel about that? How do y'all feel about buying vehicles that you're not able to you know, crank up, basically? You know what I'm saying? Taking a risk. You know, you just see in a car, they got a video online so you can just look and see that the car was running, but you know, other than that, that's all you get. Watch out for the spider webs. But other than that, that's all y'all get. What do you think about that? Because me, it's pushing me closer and closer to the front, because every car that I wanted to check out is I'm not able to crank it. And that's the reason why I stopped coming to this location, because you know, they don't want you to do nothing with the cars, man. It's crazy. But there's another one that I wanted. I guess I can look at it real quick, make sure. But oh, and this 2011 Tahoe is for sale too, by the way. 11, yeah, 11. But if I can't crank a vehicle up, guys, it's pretty much let's see the keys. Some dirty, not super dirty, but. And I think that Lincoln MKZ had 90,000 miles on it. Let me see. Yeah, I think it's had 90,000 on it. Damn, what the hell they did to something? Yeah, man. Whew. Whew. Scorching in there. Oof. So yeah, man, this was for sale. It looked like they was trying to drift in that. So yeah, guys, I might as well get up out of here. If I can't crank no car up, I can't mess with the car. Y'all let me know how y'all feel in the comments below. Are y'all taking risks just because y'all hear the video online that it cranks up and runs? You hear like a, I think it's like a 15-second video. If even 15 seconds, maybe like 7 seconds actually, 10 at the most. You hear a 10-second video of the car running, you know, that's all you get. You know what I'm saying? So shout out to the whole Hustle Nation, man. Make sure y'all go to whdacademy.com. Yeah, I gotta get on up out of here today. Big Play Ray, gotta get up out of here today, man. You know what I'm saying? We can't do nothing when it says that. So shout out to the whole Hustle Nation. It's your boy Ray, Big Play Ray, man. I'm out, y'all. Peace.